Hey everyone, it's Miss Allison and I hope you're doing well. We're going to take a big overview of your project. So this is our example project for Night, our summative. I want to do a big overview and talk about the goals and objective of what you're trying to meet, okay? So first things first, I want to just scroll and I want you to observe and see what you can see on this project. Okay, excellent. You can't see this at the bottom here, but there is a quote at the bottom of that website. So when we're taking a broad look or just kind of seeing what this is, I noticed that it is a very clean and neat website. It has multimedia in it, and it's broken up into different sections. Now we know that your overall goal and objective is to answer the question, how is a person a witness to history? So we're thinking about picking someone who has a powerful story and who has bared that message and passed it forward, right? Been that messenger to history. So here are the overall kind of view that we're looking for. Each day you'll be working on a different section and there are specific directions for that thing. But you're going to give a biography of that person, so some background. You'll notice that it's multimedia, so there are pictures, there's written word, and then there's also a slides presentation that has some background. This just makes it a little bit more interesting and interactive for your viewer or your reader and shows your knowledge of this person. So that's going to be number one, is biography. After that, we're going to move into historical context. So talk about when this person was alive or still is and what was going on in the world at that time. Again, multimedia here, so you'll notice that there is some writing. There is a picture carousel here, so different pictures are popping by. Then down here, more writing and a video to show a little bit more about what's going on, to give some context. Then down here, there are two different parts that talk about the impact. So that's answering that guiding question, and it shows how this person impacted history and the world. So in this case, we know that it's going to be Ellie's writing and other accomplishments that he had in his life. And then down here, there is a PEA, so a quick paragraph explaining how or why this person impacted history. How does it answer our guiding question? And finally, we're going to hear from you. So you're going to use your voice to read your PEA to us and explain a little bit more about what you learned using a WeVideo or some sort of video like that, okay? Down here we have our resources, and again, my screen is not showing you the exact part of that quote down here. There we go. And then at the bottom there's a quote. So a nice, clean project. As I'm looking at this, I can learn a lot about this person without having to do a ton of my research on my own, right? So that's the grand overview. You will be walking by day and step by step on each one of these things, but this is our goal and our target for what's happening at the end. Hoping to learn a little bit more about our deeper question, our essential question, thinking about our experiences and how they guide us in history. All right, I hope that is helpful.